Hey friends, welcome. So want to start a Shopify store but don't have a US social security number, whether you're a non-resident, a digital nomad, or running a business from abroad, there's a workaround. So let us do this. Use a registered business entity. From an LLC in the US using services like Firstbase or Doula, you'll get a EIN from the IRS. This acts like your business's SSN. Once your LLC is registered, open a US-based business bank. Accounts Mercury and Wise are great for non-residents. Then, Settings, Payments, and choose Shopify Payments. Enter your LLC business details and use your EIN instead of your SSN when prompted. Use your US bank accounts for payouts and verify your identity with your passport or foreign ID. So that's how to launch your Shopify Payments setup with no SSN at all. Drop a like if this helped, and of course check the description. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.